Welcome the our channel. Today we how to save with Ledger easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by connecting your Ledger device to your computer using the USB cable provided. Power on your Ledger device by pressing the button. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer. Ensure your Ledger device is unlocked to access its features. In the Ledger Live app, click on the Accounts tab located in the sidebar. Select Add Account to start the process of adding your cryptocurrency accounts. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to add from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect your Ledger device to the Ledger Live app. Confirm the account addition by following the on-screen instructions. Once the account is added, you'll see it listed in the Accounts tab. Next, to manage your funds, click on the Send button for sending crypto or Receive for receiving crypto. If you choose to send, enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to send. Double-check the details before confirming the transaction. If you are receiving funds, copy your wallet address from the Ledger Live app. Provide that wallet address to the sender for them to complete the transaction. Now, let's explore how to save using your Ledger device. Navigate to the Settings tab in Ledger Live. Select Security to view options related to the security of your holdings. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Ensure that the passphrase option is activated for enhanced protection. Consider setting a strong PIN for your Ledger device if you haven't already. Regularly update Ledger Live in your device's firmware to stay secure and benefit from new features. Create a backup of your recovery phrase in a safe place, as this is crucial for recovery. With these steps, you can effectively secure and manage your cryptocurrency using your Ledger device. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase confidential and never share it with anyone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.